तैयारी कीजिए, यह है नरक निधान।
से हे गुरुजी महाराज, हे गुरुजी महाराज।
वचन जोर करम बाहु फैलाया मजेदार, वचन जोर करम बाहु फैलाया मजेदार।
गुब्बारे ले लो गुब्बारे, अरे लाल पीले गुब्बारे ले लो गुब्बारे, गुब्बारे ले लो गुब्बारे, एक आने के दो गुब्बारे, गुब्बारे ले लो गुब्बारे।
Wow, wonderful! Oh my! What is the cost of vegetables?
Only man, potato, tomato, radish, carrot, coriander, mint, everything in Takashi.
Hey grocer, what is the cost of flour?
Bhaji, flour, rice, sugar, ghee, milk, jaggery, everything is in Takashi.
Oh really? Everything is in Takashi?
Of course, Babaji. Why should I lie?
Hey sweet seller, how you sold the sweets?
Babaji, laddu, halwa, jalebi, gulab jamun, all items are of Takashi.
Wonderful! Oh really? It is fantastic. What a pleasure. I hope you are not joking.
Yes, Babaji, this is the way this town moves on.
Okay gentlemen, how the town known for?
The damn city,
Who rules it?
the damn king.
Damn city, damn king. अरे नकली चौपट राजा, टका रे भाई, टका रे राजा।
Have big leave, Your Majesty.
My lord, take pity, Your Majesty. Take mercy. Show with justice from your grace.
Shut up. Speak up what happened.
Your Majesty, the wall of Kallubanya crumbled down and my goat collapsed and crashed under it.
Move at once and arrest the wall of Kallubanya. But Your Majesty, wall cannot be arrested. Okay then, arrest any relatives of him. Alright, arrest Kallubanya.
Kallubanya be present.
Oh, hello Banya. Why has her Barki collapsed crushing under your wall? Oh yeah, why has the god died? Come on, speak up, otherwise you would be hanged.
Your Majesty, I am not guilty. The mason built such a weak wall that it got crumbled down.
Well, leave this Kaluvalu and bring forth the mason.
Mason be present.
You filthy mason, what caused her goats then? Your Majesty, I am not the cause. It's the line worker who made the mixture pour enough for the walls crumbling down. Well, call this mason. No, get him out and call that line master.
Line walker be present.
You bloody vendor of Kadeju, beaten at a line, what caused her Kubri's death? Bakri beats goat.
Your Majesty, I don't stand guilty at all. The beastie supplied water in excess and it made the motor weak.
I see. Drive away Chunilal and arrest the water carrier.
Beastie, the water supplier be present.
Hey water supplier Bhisti, the Kesti of the Ganga and Yamuna, why have you supplied so much water that goat fell down and the wall got crushed beneath?
Your Majesty, wall fell down and got crushed beneath.
Yes, wall fell down.
Your Majesty, this slab is not at fault. It is the butcher
Made Meshach, the little water bag, such a huge one that stored plenty of water.
Well, kick the beastie out and bring forth the butcher.
Butcher, be present.
Indiscreet butcher, you made such a bag which made the wall fell and caused the goat crushed.
My lord, it is the shepherd who sold such a hefty sheep to me.
Well then, kick him out and get the shepherd.
Shepherd, be present.
Your Majesty, I am not the culprit. There was the fleet of Kothwal, the police officer that way. I missed the size of ship. I did that glimpse away. I am not at fault. My lord, I am not at fault.
I see. Turn him out and present the Kotwal.
Kotwal, be present.
Hey Kotwal, why you let your fleet in such a grandeur which caused the shepherd fright enough to sell such a big ship?
Your Majesty, I haven't committed any offense. I was marching just for administering law and order.
Oh no, a great mess. I am afraid this would lead up the entire citizen of the town to be hanged. No way, just hang the Kotwal. The court is adjourned. Hey, get up. Have got inflated eating sweets. Now your life gets over today. What a calamity. Good fellow, how have I offended you so you are arresting me? No matter, you have applauded or offended. Hurry up and drown yourself on the gallows. Gallows? Oh my goodness. You mean to be hanged? To whom have I killed or robbed? You are too fat, so you got selected for hanging.
What? Hanging for just being bulky? What a mockery of justice. Oh no, no kidding with hermits. Don't you find some other fat man in the town that you are hanging me?
There are two reasons. Firstly, nobody in this town is fat like you. And secondly, if someone else comes our way anyhow, the king would make an excuse and will turn hanging us. Oh God, save me. Guruji, where are you?
Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Yes, my child. I had told you don't stay in this city. Policeman, get aside. I need to advise my disciple. Then Guruji, I should be hanged. No, my son. I have become old, so I should. What a fuss of it. Everyone is claiming to be hanged. But why? Your Majesty, the disciple says that he should be hanged and the Guru claims it for him. Come on, Babaji. Why do you want to be hanged? King, it's due to the auspicious face. Whoever will die at this time shall depart directly to heaven. Well then, it's me who will hang on the rope. No, it should be me because I am ordered to be hanged.
No, it should be me because the wall fell down because of me.
Silent! Shut up all! Who is the king? You, my lord! Whose kingdom is this? Yours, my lord! So, who should be hanged? You, my lord! Come on, hang me! Let's go, my lord!
चौपट राजा अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा। इस मोल भाजी उस मोल खाजा, उस मोल खाजा हो। अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा। राजा जी ने कुछ हाथी और कुछ घोड़े हैं पाले, इन्हें न कोई फिक्र न चिंता, ये है महलों वाले। इनके राज में पड़ गए हमको अपनी जान के लाले, दोनों हाथों लूट रहे हैं काले धंधों वाले। जिस मोल भाजी उस मोल खाजा, उस मोल खाजा हो। अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा।
Thank you.